Welcome to Kids Study Station. In today's lesson, we are going to learn phonic sounds. What are these phonic sounds? Let's understand the concept. In English alphabet, there are 26 letters and each letter have its own name, like A, B, C, D, E, up to the Z. While reading words or text, we use different names other than these letter names. That different name is called phonic name or phonic sounds. It means to call that letter, we use different sounds, and that sound is nothing but the phonic sounds. While reading, few letters uses their letter name as well as their phonic name, but few letters uses phonic name only. Let's see which letters are they. From 26 alphabets, 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. While reading, vowels uses their letter names as well as their phonic names, and consonant uses their phonic names only. Now, some letters have only one phonic name and some letters have one or more phonic names. Today, we are going to learn phonic sound of letter V. So let's get started. Phonic sound of letter V is V. Listen carefully. Phonic sound of letter V is V. While reading words or text, we read letter V as V. Let's read some words having letter V. As van, as in a vim, as in wet, as in was, as in west, as in vote, as in vinegar, as in violin, as in vacuum, as in village, as in 5, as in 7, as in vulture, as in Venus, as in vowels, as in vegetable, as in volcano, as in vocation, as in vocabulary. For the practice of phonic sound of letter V, read more words having letter V. Well done. Today you have learned phonic sound of letter V. In the next lesson, we are going to learn phonic sound of letter W. So we'll meet in the next lesson. Till bye.